There's a young guy called Wode Maya.
Wode Maya, why a day?
Which a year, Akatakyie tweet me, and it's become topical on social media.
Right.
First of all, Wode Maya near the baby on Namino, and Yawana. So at no point is he my target.
Precisely.
The moment now said, who promote Ghana, who promote Africa. You would do that at the expense of a Asante for any dignity.
Yenu binuma masoma no de si Wode Maya so no me kan okra kire mo. Se mo ye NPP sema, mo NPP sem na mo ya. Ya munya ya Asante sem no na we nya Asante sem. Asantehene na se tu yo toso mienu. Wonye NPP ni e na wonye NDC ni, wo ye statesman.
I can't tell them any day, anytime.
Let them know.
We will not wake up and attack anybody.
Precisely.
But we will not also sit down and concern and allow you people to continuously attack us.
Pound for pound.
Yeah, why you almost set up here? If you come and say,
oh, Kwama Asante Maya. Obi a wura abona baso no nka won tene sa abado as basobody no to an insult to the person. In other words, no say what twi ete munsem na moye na sia. Are you telling Ghanaians say na Asantehene any the delegates ni mpanimfo a wonu di wani monyam hunu say the son of the soil Wode Maya yes adwuma no e de bo Asante Maya ti wo bo na baso no wonim nyansa na wonim de munnim de mokeka.
If you come and say something Anna, you wish to be like me, wish to be like you. What drives me to do the things I do are very deep. You have no idea.
Fake or what or 419.
You cannot even comprehend them. You think it's about sitting on plane and going to people and say, oh, this is the culture of this is the culture of that.
Na mi bisa wa wuti social media wasem no bibia eye atem ne otan no otufo obefro na hembo boa no se obo abaso e wo kwan ben so obo abaso da.
Young man, don't engage him. Ignore him. I'm not. Sure. Wode Maya, you are not my focus. I only try to show you how hospitable Asantes can be. So. If you think you're offended by that,
and I happen to be an Asante, and from the research I did, both written records and also oral tradition, I found that Asante was the greatest slave owning state in Ghana.
Now, Ghana for your mistake, because you see, you cannot obliterate history.
That's right.
So we can't erase history. I think that is how I ended. History cannot be erased.
Hello, Abusanfo, ladies and gentlemen. I want to believe, sir, by the grace of Jesus Christ, I bring you greetings from Canada, and wherever you are, I bring you greetings. Now, I want to make this video. It is very important. Some of these things are very important, especially it borders about religion and it borders about tribe. Now it is good say obia unim no krebia no say who centro echo viral and I say adebia enye good echo viral so unim no kre na it's better you speak up, it's better you come out and come and say the truth. Enti muamunim say and say the king of Swaziland and I say your friend Eswatini, the king came to Ghana and then he visited Menshia Asanteman and he visited Asantehene Otumfo. Now one of the days I think they had a dinner and they kind of awarded certain people and I said they appreciated certain people, and Wode Maya happened to be one of the people the king Asantehene appreciated. We know Okatakyie Afrifa Obeka say and sama Wode Maya ekafa Asante for hono senanka baby nanka omu be bu mi fan say Wode Maya na say bianka ombe huru no na say bianka omu bu be funo because of nsema okan na those times na sasem we buy no I think say buy about 4 or 5 months ago me videos about that and me be chichiremu. It is how come YouTuber now check it, these thumbnails videos I wouldn't want to go back. I explained in detail, said Wode Maya Ekano, he was right. Said Asantes took slaves from Salaga. I think said the word that Oyusu ebia captured no and other people had issues. Ebia senka Oyusu said Ebia Asante's fought and maybe a conquered and took slaves from Salaga, and as Ebia bought slaves from Salaga. Ebia and Kamon for and said and you're very angry. But Okan say Asante's captured no, like people were a bit angry. I made videos about that and I explained. And when you go to my YouTube channel, now check it these thumbnails are. Videos na make no. I explained in depth, so check them and then see how I explained it. Me person me bro, just accept a few portions of the videos na me yeah na me dey defend it. Wode Maya say asem na okan no and correct, even though me Asantehene no asem okan no and correct, but enya Asantefo nko na eton slaves, the nchirafo ton bi, akwamufo ton bi, achemfo ton bi, mfantefo nkranfo, esrimfo na nkasa nso ton bi, obia na owo ewo the then Gold Coast and I say even Northern Territory and I say Ashanti Territory no omu nyina ye nyina obia ton slaves ni bi enti minim de enti a say asem no aye no kure na say no kure no enko maya ye say enye no kure. So I came and I made videos about that. Enti no mamimfa accept kakra bi enfam remo and then I will continue.
Na bibi ba ye ha adwene ye oni da goma for ye relationship no na ye say afi bia no be ma ye enkoa 1000 wa ma ye nantwie 1000 enwan 1000 mponche 1000 guinea fowl I confirm 1000 nkoko 1000 nti ema gari banu to share other tribes upper east ne upper west ne eyin so a da bia omnipa na ne de koma asantefo na asantefo aton ama coastal states no mo de woma kwabrichiri.
And I happen to be an Asante, and from the research I did, both written records and also oral tradition, I found that Asante was the greatest slave owning state in Ghana.
Now you Ghana for your mistake bebre, because you see you cannot obliterate history.
That's right.
Abakwasa mo pepa no a enye. Na Ghana for try say aba pepa abakwasa.
So we can't erase history. I think that is how I ended. History cannot be erased.
I don't know. No, people are just trying so hard to change history. They are trying to change history. Sometimes Asantephobia are trying to change history, and Clanphobia are trying to change history. Achemphobia are trying to change history. Ghana had here say history no anko ama obia. Now the person wants to change it. It's very very bad. It is very very bad. I don't know. Meninam internet no so na me ko hu say obi oya Asantehene ti say me na okanyansasem bi me sheda nim ni din but okanyansasem bi me pese me ma yetie asem na okan no I very very intelligent. You see me hu me yonko Asantehene pa na say odim nyansase a nenti ya me de se me hu me yonko Asantehene na otumi kan asem ma ne ma no ya me de say ya nenti na like I feel so happy. Nenti uma yenko tie ni nenti ono so kan and then I will continue after that.
Ye nuanom bi no ma masoma no de asi Wode Maya so no me ka no kra kire mo se mo ye NPP sema mo NPP sem na mo ya munya ya Asante sem no na we nya Asante sem uti wo koma o political party na se obi koje ni mo nyam ewo ye wura ni na wadwe ye wo se nipa no okasa na in favor of party nti wo betan na yiwanim ye hu se wo ye wo political party Asantehene na say to your tosumienu wonye NPP ni ena wonye NDC ni woye statesman enti na ya na ye video wa se meka politics a me nkofa ye wura ho asem mma meshem emma politician bi nsore mma mesimi mi wura so but mo ye ade na mo ye mo NPP sema na mu gina se ya Asante sem o ye NPP sema me hu se wo ye NPP sem o ye Asante sema me hu se wo ye Asante sem Wode Maya wa ye den na mi bisa wa wuti social media wasem no bibia eye atem ne otan no otufo obefro na hemboboa no se obo abaso e wokwan ben so omo abaso da ukohe comment section ni ade a wonu be comment nyina ye in the name say wonu mo hu say Wode Maya ni video bi wa and favor NPP nti wo ye wo NPP sema emfa nkosan Asanteman nkaka say ye kwa ma Asanteman o kwa ma Asanteman a obi a wuwura abona baso no nka won tene sa baso body no to an insult to the person. In other words, no say what twi ete munsem na moye na sia. Are you telling Ghanaians say na Asantehene any the delegates ni mpanimfo a won di wani monyam hunu say the son of the soil Wode Maya yes adwuma no e de bo Asanteman nti wo bo na baso no wonim nyansa na wonim de munnim de mo keka mo ye mo party sema Munya mo party sem. Mon franco fine ye Asante sem ye Asante sem. Unnecessary attack ubekum neck because of politics. Asante sem dey o he. Se wura abo obi abaso. Na wodi nipa no e ba be drag no. Ai didi nipa na tem. Kese ni nim de mo pese mo kire. Masa munya de mo ye na mo ye mo politics sem ma monye na mo mfa nkofo for say ye kwa Asante man. O kwa ma wo party nya Asante man. Ubu Asante man do Asante man a nka wura enkobo obi abaso e ma nkofo nipa no mejire ho ndidi na tem. E nkere se wonye obi a. E se wonye obi a na wura friend bo na baso nyesa.
It's my pleasure to present to you a son of yours, a son of the soil, who, very angry at the way the world views Africa, has decided on a path to tell the true story of Africa, the most often neglected path, the path of progress and of great peace. Ladies and gentlemen, you know him, you love him, certainly come to thousand. Wode Maya is in the building. Please, a round of applause for the anointed village boy. When Donald Trump took a swipe at Lesotho, it was this young man who told a very compelling narrative about Lesotho. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to his brilliance and his efforts, today that video in less than 4 months has garnered about 1.5 billion views. A round of applause for Wode Maya.
I don't know. Sansem we na minim dinti a Okatakyie Afrifa eba ya obebo like obe single out Wode Maya. Wode Maya I think the problem meaning nya ya ne say minim dinti a single out only Asante nko or kan Asante asem concerning slavery because enya Asante nko na involved in slavery. Na amanfo bebre obi a no Ghana ho at that time no every tribe was involved in slavery. And my problem with Wode Maya said, I didn't know why I single out only the Asantes. Now, near Okatakyie Afrifa he has singled out this young man and person like Okan Hunsem Bonnie and I say maybe or discrediting him and I say Bibisa.
There's a young guy called Wode Maya, which Akwaye tweet me and it's become topical on social media. Right. First of all, Wode Maya near dear baby on Namino and your one. Woye na de woye ade eni ade but enye me focus ene me you know so at no point is it my target.
Stop it
Nemo mun yentna ho se o promote Ghana o promote Africa Nemo you will do that at the expense of a Asantefo any dignity. I catch them any day anytime.
Let them know.
We will not wake up and attack anybody.
Precisely.
But we will not also sit down and concern and allow you people to continuously attack us. So I know people want to now Wode Maya we want to all of us wish to be like him. Young man, oh boy, first of all, I don't wish to be like you in any shape or form.
Fake or what or 419.
What more may not hear? Okay, so general, you know. Social media handles, most of them is not even run by me.
Exactly. So.
And YouTube require them some more post because what motivates me is not the monthly stipends now when you're free social media. And yes, was here you wish to be. Come and let me show you how to make money on the band. Wode Maya, I don't wish to be like you in any shape, in any form.
God have mercy upon us.
Seven previous on. Say idani fa Wode Maya to so say personality a yedi tena play mu e konkrofo ho e kohwe omo culture ne ade a me wo bi tse de wo bi em wo bi chen it make me atena play mu e to a yedi tena play mu me wo bi sika yedi twa plane ticket me wo bi yen konko ka culture ho asem so ko betimi aye so it is not about anything you are doing that I want to do wo hwe mu aye onioma hwe mu ye onioma na mom yen hwe video we dani bo sa video yi.
You know, the transatlantic slavery, people think that the people that were taken to the Caribbean were mostly Ashantis. No, it was actually the Ashantis that were capturing people. So they were capturing people from the north of Ghana, you know,
other places,
the Salaga market. Yeah. So they catch you from the Salaga side.
Okay, so hold on. Annie, hold on. So that video when I would Maya and you see, The object of the video was that he wanted to cause disaffection for Ashantis by Yenuanom Salaga for.
Exactly.
Now, what the myopic mind did not tell him is that Oko Jamaica, Omo Caribbeans, most of them Omo Asante. So there is even a queen called Queen Nani. Asante fighting for the freedom of the people. But Wode Maya wanted to create disaffection for Asantis by saying that Asantefone Okatakyie Salaga for and Okotron Womoma Eya Abrofo. Me wana Asantefone Abrofo ikuntokwa. Ni ye twasel Charles Makatiti. Na ni apese ton nipa mo omo a. And you see this kind of narrative that people continue to say.
And I happen to be an Asante. And from the research I did, both written records and also oral tradition, I found that Asante was the greatest slave owning state in Ghana.
These are all anti-Asante people who want to portray Asantes in a certain direction.
Exactly.
So Wode Maya, asam no ameka so you be aye badwen mana adwene ko akira. I said despite in some hunu ye a wo kan ye nyina no. Ukodru Asante formal rousing welcome. So it should tell you the kind of hospitality that Asantes have. What is there to come and respond about this? Because who can say about them, which was untruth. You propagated untruth, complete untruth, complete falsehood. Asantehene, you continuously abuse them. And then my friend in Jantua, Jantua said, maybe you don't even understand what is going on. So in one breath, they give with your left hand and they slap you from behind. So they pretend that they like the kingdom, but they behind the scenes, the kind of things they do.
Hypocritical people.
Let's listen to Yenti the Wode Maya Yenti no.
The way to Cape Coast, where you take your last bath.
You walk all the way from the north.
I tell you,
look at it's not hold on. It's not as if he's even reporting. I'm telling you, that Asante did it. So it means you are saying something you know for a fact it happened.
Only the goma for your relationship on the air say, Afibia no Obama and 1,000. Nti man Gary Banu to share other tribes upper east ne upper west ne eyinu so a da bia omu nipa na ne de koma Asantefone aton ama coastal states no mo de womu akwabrichiri.
Making it up. It's not true.
I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up.
Many
if you go to the north, okay.
Many of our African American brothers in the diaspora in the Caribbean, we shouldn't think they are from the coastal areas.
No.
Salaga, up north, if we do tourism right, you will just see how they trekked, kidnapped, captured people all the way from present-day northern Ghana, hundreds of kilometers.
Is it the north that I know?
Yes. They walk.
I don't know. Doche onka womo ye form of free voter region. Almost one achi womko. I don't know. I never been same hunu. Ana make us the entity I'm responding to is Oka san same hunu we. Asante for any tribe bia. I can't go through and they would have been hostile towards you.
Precisely.
So why do you, young man, you come and sit there and say nonsense? We wish to be Danny. Sadia been a da when I'm on ye senator. Jeffrey one na media motivation. Me social media and media
like him for what?
How much you revenue na munya or honia dia why who set up polia hina. If you come and say something Anna, you wish to be like me. Wish to be like you. What drives me to do the things I do are very deep. You have no idea. You cannot even comprehend them. You think it's about sitting on plane and going to people and say, oh, this is the culture of this is the culture of that. But why? The personality that we use to go and do these things. Who will be changed? Young man. So I think social media team for Twitter, don't engage him, ignore him. They sent me some post and I told them that ignore him.
Exactly.
He's not my focus. He's not my target.
Not at all.
The focus for me here are the people that we've given them the mandate to run our nation.
Sure.
Wode Maya, you are not my focus. I only try to show you how hospitable Asantes can be.
So
if you think you're offended by that, you continuously abuse a certain group of people.
Precisely.
And you want us to keep quiet because it's better.
What can say no that asemno etwem, but he's so myopic and egotistic say he doesn't know say this Wode Maya guy can sell Asante Kingdom, can sell Ghana to the world more than this guy Okatakyie can do. this guy Wode Maya obetimi aton asantemai achen almost any YouTuber in Ghana. Say sa abrante we say oyana dwen say obe promote asantemai any Asante Kingdom. Na say oyana dwen say obe comment share akoye videos. Maybe Asantehene ebe man kwan na waye videos about the Asante Kingdom near there. Wode Maya can promote Asante Kingdom more than any YouTuber in Ghana, including this Okatakyie guy. Sakwa we say kanya egotistic infan say ayibi ne wonimu enenka oye a onim nyansa. Nenka this is not the time to sort of trash this guy. Asantehene no mpa ono ye Asantehene no e de sa niema we ato nachi etimi abosa branti we abaso. Na wa sabe oye papa hwe akwa wote obabi wonanti obenya problem. Ena asemina nti Wode Maya kan no. Wode Maya was not talking about hospitality. Wode Maya was not talking about Asante hospitality. He was just talking about slavery. Nti ebani say na o conflicted the two say oba Asante memu yaje no fefe nti no it means asemina okan no it wasn't true. What has hospitality got to do with historicity? Say asembisi na asem no ayen kore. What has that got to do with that? So no na afede obedidi sa abranche we atem na on say senior YouTuber na me ma mutie no no ohun asem na okan no part kura na ayam dani say obi a Asantehene afre no abona baso na say ne oba na obe discredit no a na say omo fra abranche no ebona baso no o part say be omunim nyansa na ana say Asantehene na ofre no bona baso no say onim nia oya na why adentina yama party efra yani and then we hide behind tribe. Say we are fighting for tribe. Meanwhile, we are fighting for our party. We are fighting for the NPP party. It is not the Asante this guy is fighting for. He's fighting for his interests and he's fighting for the NPP party.
Do you have NPP sema emfa nkosanya Asanteman kwaka se ye kwama Asanteman o kwama Asanteman obi a wura abona baso no nka won tene sa baso body no to an insult to the person. In other words, Mr. Wutipi, at a moon seminar moye nasia. Are you telling Ghanaians say, na Asantehene, any the delegates named Penifua, one do any munyam who say, the son of the soil, Wode Maya, a yes, Edumano, Eddie Boa Santemaya, you were born a Basuano, Wonim Yansana, Wonim de. A
lot of boring math later.
Ye, my near woman ferry. Many my ferry. Na enyame fortwa. And your man why ye be brave.
Mitio o voice o video ni we na. And I'm a kaya and I'm a friend Madame for be or what mats your friend Mary or Maryland. Na mabisa ne se nyansa e sen wo ho no mana. Ka mi pe bia to no so de dem so nye bibia nka me de ko che obi.
Yourself the season.